Welcome. In front of me I have a SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Or rather, not crown button, but upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the widgets, and here you will see the control panel. Tap on it. Now scroll through the control panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you find it, you can tap on the switch next to Do Not Disturb mode to enable it. You will see the status changing to on, and the screen will get dimmer when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And on the watch face you will also see this icon, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you simply wake up the screen, open the control panel again, then scroll down, find Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the icon next to it, and the mode will be disabled. And then you can of course go back to watch face, and as you can see, the icon is now gone. So basically that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode, and this could be useful, for example, if you don't want to be disturbed during doing something like sleeping, maybe you're in the meeting or something like that. You turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, it will mute the notifications on your watch, and once you're done you can simply disable it and enable the notification back on, or unmute them rather. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.